So today we're going to be doing a drop shipping store with Mailchimp. As you can see, we could start a free website and launch a store for $0 a month and a 2% transaction fee. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, you click on the link below to sign up, or if you already have Mailchimp, well, let's jump right into it. All right, so now that we are in the home of our Mailchimp, or the back end of our Mailchimp, we're going to click here on websites, and we're going to go to the store option whenever this internet decides to work. So we're going to start with the store. You want to start your store here, click on here, and we're going to do the same thing we've always done on our videos, which is um, import our products, change the menu around to our liking, and then start designing our site. All right. So as you can see, Mailchimp here automatically puts us up to add a product. So the first thing we're gonna do is add a product. So choose image here. Let's go to our store, Blendify Me. As you can see, I have already have all the products that I wanna drop ship, and I got all the product information already. So I'm gonna grab all the images that I need. There you go. Our product name, our price. We're gonna guesstimate because that's the one thing I did. Our price, 39.99. Um, and a product description. So copy, paste, save product. Add your first product to your store. There's just a few steps to complete before you can start receiving orders. So we could continue to add products, or we continue to the store setup, which is what we're gonna do because it's gonna be pretty much the same. And as you saw, I have we are finally here. So you added the first product, confirm your business address. Okay. And we're gonna set up our shipping options. All right, set up payments. We're gonna set up our payments. So, well, after you've done all the steps, you're in the final four steps. You click review and publish. Took me a minute because I wasn't a member of Stripe, so I had to do a whole bunch of stuff, and I still gotta go back and verify more other stuff. So, welcome to the new website builder. We like a quick tour. No, let's go. Okay, let's work on pages. All right, our shop store, our shop page is already here. Product detail page is already here. Okay, let's add another page. It's gonna be a page. It's gonna be a about page, and we're gonna click add. So we have an about page, and I think we're gonna leave it right there. Anyways, so once you're done fiddling around with your store and you hit the enable store and publish up here in this very corner, this shows up and it tells you specifically clearly that you're gonna get charged a 2% transaction fee. The store is now live, and we can share the link and do all the good stuff. Share link to the world, not this very second, because obviously my website is not fully complete. It was just made for demonstration purposes only, but you're always welcome to go check out the link in the description. An idea on how you create a dropshipping store for practically almost nothing. Now this is a free store. Obviously, it being free, it does have its limits. It does have its limits, but you can still create a store, and there's a lot of cool features going on here with Mailchimp. Mailchimp automatically sent me this abandoned cart notification, which is a good thing. Hopefully, again, this is on a free version. Um, all I had to do was just edit it out. Obviously, I still gotta verify my domain for this, and The content is a plain version of this email. We clearly and view the preview. And this is the email I've sent out to people who abandon the cart. So especially if you go with their $20, what was it? Yeah, $20 monthly subscription. So we go to e-commerce here. E-commerce, they got the free, oh, the core. Look, if you go with the core, transaction lowers our fee and it's only $10. So that's a start. With $10, you could have a drop shipping store in a matter of, I don't know. There it is, guys. There is a free drop shipping store for you. Not the prettiest this very second, but I promise you by the time you come and see this video, it should be a lot better if it's still around. Yeah, we also got the banner for our cookies, and there you go. Now, obviously, like I said before, I haven't finished the website, but it's there. You click on a product, you add your product to the cart. There it is. I'm not gonna try to check out here, but let's see what happens. There it is. So we offer flat, cheaper rate. There you go. Put your first, last name, your address, and 7 continue shipping method, payment method, or history. And remember that when you're done here, they will charge you 2%. Now, software with Mailchimp, it's not really advanced, and we can't do what I'm about to tell you. But there's other sites out there in which I could collect my Windows choppers information and send them through a funnel just because they decided to visit my site. If you want further information on this, check out my videos regarding the tools that I be using for these stores, and check out my course, which is where I go more into detail on how to set it up properly, so that you get all the data from customers when they visit your site. All right. So again, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.